Breaking news, the Penn State Nittany Lions have officially fired their 10-year head coach in James Franklin after a disappointing start to the 2025 season. The Penn State Nittany Lions are 3-3 through their first 6 games of the season, losing to UCLA, Northwestern, the most recent one, and Oregon. This Penn State Nittany Lions team has been awful, and honestly, I'm not surprised. I know at the start of the season I said they were going to be natty contenders. However, Kaytron Allen's been the only bright spot about this team. Drew Aller has not looked like the real QB that we all thought he would be, and also, this defense has been lackluster to say the least. The Penn State Nittany Lions needed a change and needed to move on from James Franklin, especially with him not being able to really win those big games that all of us talk about. But you guys let me know, who do you think should lead the Penn State Nittany Lions going into the 2026 season? Because honestly, this season might already be over. If you guys like this content, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, because this is Kai's Corner. Cheers!